Let's talk birds, not those dang Market Square pigeons, but the penguins. Here penguins don't waddle, they fly. We beat those Red Wings like rusty monkeys. Then we all joined Sid the Kid Crosby and the rest of the team in celebrating Stanley Cup title number 3. The Penguins were hatched in '67. They weren't very good. But look out, Loretta, because Mario Lemieux was on his way. He came here in '84 and quickly became a superstar. And we'll get in the fast lane, Eddie Spaghetti, because Elvis has just left the bingo game.
Huh?
We took Lord Stanley's Cup for the first time in 1991. We liked it so much we took it again the next year. Mario hung up his skates in 1997. The franchise filed for bankruptcy, and who came to the rescue? Mario, of course. Happy Days returned to the igloo. Mario returned to the ice. He became the first player owner in NHL history. Evgeny Malkin joined the team. A year later, we got our hands on Sidney Crosby. In 2009, we met the Red Wings in the Stanley Cup final. This is what the cup looks like when it's being hoisted on the boulevard.